Kunal, coming first to you. 13,000 reconquered. What next for the Nifty?
Well, absolutely. I think it's been a stellar kind of a rally for the markets. No stopping as such. For the indices. And the good part about the rally today, Karnya, is that it's been a mix of mid cap and large cap names. But then there's one sector which I think has been standing quite tall, and that's the pharma pack. Now, the two stocks which I would want to recommend, are from the pharma pack. And first one is about Aurobindo Pharma. I think it's an interesting chart in the making. In the last 1 week or 2 weeks, the stock has climbed up from 750 levels to 900. It's done this in a very gradual kind of a fashion, where the first move was a bit swifter, and then it went to a gradual uptrend. I believe Aurobindo Pharma is on the verge of a very big and a strong breakout on the upside, so would suggest that as a first buy call. Targets to be kept at 935. Stop loss could be kept at 875. The second again is from the pharma pack, and again I'm targeting the large cap pharma names. It's Sun Pharma, and I think even Sun Pharma on the short term charts is showing a very strong breakout. Now there's an Ichimoku kind of a an indicator which we generally use for finding the fresh set of trend breakouts for stock prices. Sun Pharma today at 4% higher has given that Ichimoku breakout on the short term charts, and I believe that could lead to a potential start of a short term uptrend. So Sun Pharma is also a buy call from the Pharma pack. Targets to be kept at 565. Stop loss could be kept at 510.
Okay, Raghavendra, what are your wealth creation bets in terms of fundamentals? Which are the companies you're finding attractive at the juncture?
Well, let me start with a high risk, high reward idea that is a First Source Solutions, FSL. It's a mid cap IT software company with a market cap of 5,500 crores. Recently, in the IT space, we have seen whenever senior management has come in from big companies, like in the case of Mphasis, Coforge, or L&T Infotech, that has led to a huge volume growth as well as margin improvement. So recently, First Source Solutions also have got their a new managing director, Mr. Vipul Khanna from Cognizant. Mr. Khanna brings along with him rich experience, a successful track record from Cognizant. So and along with him a team which is now leading different verticals at FSL. So this could be a big upside trigger in FSL in the days ahead. The expected full year EPS is at around 4.20, giving that a P multiple of 25 that gives us a target of 105 on FSL. The company has 36 delivery centers across India, Philippines, USA, UK, 100 plus global clients, and negligible debt to equity, negligible debt on its book. FSL is cheap value versus its mid cap IT peers or large cap IT peers. So we believe that this could lead to a 30% upside from current levels of around 78.80 and give you a target of 105 in a 12-month horizon. So that's a high risk, high reward idea as FSL. Moving on to a low risk idea, that is JSW Energy. The company is currently JSW Energy is currently trading at price levels of 60. We have a 15-month target, that is by March 2022, a target of 90, that is a 50% upside from current levels. This company has a 75% promoter holding and 14% institutional holding. That is very comforting. 80% of its power generation is tied to PPAs, that is power purchase agreements. That gives a very high earning stability in volatile times like this. Debt to equity ratio of JSW Energy is at around 0.75. This makes their balance sheet among the best or strongest in the entire power generating firms. This cash rich company could have this cash as an arsenal for expansion into renewable space or electric vehicle infrastructure or acquisitions of other distressed companies. JSW Energy has acquired in Bharat, and that is a 700 megawatt power generating unit, which is pending for NCLT approval. We believe this is just a matter of time for the approval to come, and that once comes would be a big upside trigger for JSW Energy. So the stock has been in consolidation phase, and we believe a northward journey could commence from here on. So a target of 90, that is a 50% upside for JSW Energy at current levels.